सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्कार, सलाम सारे। मेरा नाम है बिपिन पाल सिंह और स्वागत है आप सबका एक बार फिर से मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे जिसका नाम है And friends, like always, today I again came up with a very nice and handsome property option, which is a 4 BHK floor in Palam Vihar Block E. And friends, the property which I am talking about is park facing and is very near to Palam Vihar Kendra, the biggest shopping complex of Palam Vihar, and is surrounded by all basic amenities like hospitals, schools and local markets. So my friends, with this brief description of the property, without wasting any time, let's go and check out that property. So my friends, this is the park and opposite to it is the property which we came to explore, which is this. So my friends, this is the property in Palam Vihar E block which we came to explore, and of this 4-floor structure, this upper ground and the 4th floor are already sold, whereas these 2 floors, 2nd and 3rd, are left for sale. And also friends, the property is north facing, and as I've told you, the front side of the property is having the park, while the rear side of the property is having the green belt, which means that there will be no construction going to take place at both front and the rear end, clearly ensured that there will be a proper cross ventilation on each and every floor of this property. So my dear friends, with this brief description of the property, let's go inside and check out each and every corner of the property. Let's go. So this being the main entrance to the property. So my dear friends, this is the straight floor of the property, and here builder has promised to give 3 car parking space to each flat owner. Moving ahead on this tilt floor, towards my right is this lift lobby cum staircase area, which we will explore. But before exploring this, let me take you to the rear end of the property. So this is the rear side of the property, and this is the green belt which I was talking about at the start of the video. And my friends, having this green belt at the rear end and park at the front side of the property certainly ensures that the floor will going to remain properly cross ventilated. So with this, I have completed the straight floor of the property, and now let's move ahead and show you the layout of the floor for which we have came over here. So moving into this lift lobby cum staircase area. So my dear friends, here in this lift lobby cum staircase area, the work for the lift is still going on. Landing doors, glass landing doors are already installed, and the car work is yet to be done. So my dear friends, let's take the stairs and start exploring each and every corner of that floor. So let's go upstairs. So my friends, this is the main entrance to the floor. Let's explore the layout of the floor. So my friends, before starting exploration of this floor, let me give you an idea that the type of flooring provided on this floor is of vitrified tiles and wooden flooring, and the wooden flooring is provided in these 2 bedrooms which are adjacent to the drawing room, whereas in all other rooms these vitrified tiles are provided of different shades. Dear friends, this is the main entrance to the floor, and the area where I am standing at this moment is the lobby area of the floor, and turning my camera to the right will take us to the drawing room area of the floor. So let's first explore the drawing room area of the floor. So my dear friends, this is the drawing room area of the floor where I am standing at this moment, and it is separated from this lobby area with this beautifully designed arch. And friends, the shade of the vitrified flooring tiles provided in this drawing room area is similar to lobby and the kitchen area, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this drawing room area. And my friends, in this drawing room area, this white glass is provided along with this openable panel, which will ensure natural air along with natural light to come inside this room. And my dear friends, just for the information, this openable panel is provided with wire mesh panel also, which certainly protects mosquitoes from entering our house. So along with this glass work provided in this drawing room area, this door is provided which is leading us to the front side balcony. So before exploring any other area of the floor, let's explore the front side balcony of the floor. So moving outside, will take us to the front side balcony. Friends, this being the front side balcony of the floor, and besides it being connected with the drawing room area of the floor, it can also be accessed from the other two bedrooms adjacent to the drawing room area. So this being the bedroom number 1, and turning my camera to the left, moving further is this drawing room area towards my right, and passing this is our second bedroom from which we can access this front side balcony. And my friends, this is the outer view from the front side balcony. And friends, this front side balcony, besides having this amazing view, is also pretty decent in size. So this being the front side balcony, and now moving from this front side balcony back into the drawing room area, let's start exploring the other parts of this floor. So friends, now passing this drawing room area will take us to this lobby area, and that corner is the corner where you can have your dining table placed. And towards my right, this being the main entrance to the floor, and opposite to that, this is an additional room provided which you can use as a puja room or for any other purpose which you think appropriate about. So this being the size of the room, it's pretty decent in size as you can see, and is provided with this false ceiling design. And now moving out of this room will bring us back to this lobby area, and turning my camera to the left is this section provided where you can have your showcase erected, in which you can place various things related to art and crafts. So now turning my camera again to right. So as I've told you, this being the lobby cum dining room area of the floor, and finally we have came to the kitchen of this floor. So friends, this is the modular design kitchen of the floor, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this kitchen. And now moving inside, the first thing which we love to do while entering kitchen of any floor is exploring the quality of woodwork provided in the kitchen. So my dear friends, this is the cupboard space provided above the slab in the kitchen of this floor. And here these steel racks are provided because this is the dishwashing area. And here my dear friends, as you can see, this black granite slab is provided in this kitchen. And now as we have explored the woodwork provided above the slab, and now it's the time to explore the woodwork provided beneath the slab. So let's start exploring the woodwork from this corner. So here this space is provided, and these big gigantic drawers with soft closing, as you can see, soft closing. So similarly, these drawers are provided big drawers. Some more space like this. Again drawers, drawer beneath it also. Nice quality of woodwork provided over here, with all drawers having soft closing. Look. Some more space over here. And this is the bin section provided over here. Adjacent to it, some more space. Moving ahead, some more cupboard space provided over here. Moving further, some more space and some more drawers. And my dear friends, with this I have completed the kitchen of this floor as well. And now moving out of this kitchen, the only thing which are left to be explored on this floor are the bedrooms. So here, these are the two bedrooms of the floor, and opposite to it, adjacent to that drawing room, are the two bedrooms which will be provided with wooden flooring. So let's explore this one first. So my friends, this is the first bedroom of the floor, and this is the shade of vitrified flooring tiles provided in this room, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this room. So my dear friend, this being the entrance to the first bedroom of the floor, and adjacent to the entrance to this bedroom is this wardrobe section and the attached washroom to this bedroom. So let's explore that as well. So this being the design of wardrobe provided in this room. So my friends, in this wardrobe section, this huge mirror panel is provided, behind which are the shelves provided. So let's open it and explore that. So these are the shelves provided behind the mirror panel, and adjacent to this mirror panel are these sliding panels. Look at the amount of space these wardrobes are having. No doubt it is having pretty decent space, as you can see. And moving further, let's open the other side of the panel. The sliding of these panels is really smooth, and is a nice bit of woodwork done over here on these wardrobes. And over here, these drawers are also provided. Okay, let me open the panel. So these being the drawers, very smooth in operation. So there are total number of 4 drawers provided in this section of the wardrobe provided in this bedroom. So this being the wardrobe provided in this bedroom, and towards the opposite side is the washroom, attached washroom to this bedroom, provided with all jacquard fittings. Nice shade of tiles provided, and the space to keep your toiletries. Now moving out of this washroom attached to this bedroom, let's explore the backside balcony which can be accessed through that door. So let's explore this. So this is the backside balcony of the floor, provided with nice tile flooring and pretty decent in size as well, and is surrounded with these lush green trees. Nice. And besides this backside balcony being accessed from this first bedroom, this backside balcony can also be accessed from this bedroom, the second bedroom of the floor. So let's quickly explore this second bedroom as well. Let's go inside from this backside balcony, brings us to this second bedroom of the floor. So friends, this is the door from the backside balcony from where we have entered into this second bedroom, and this is the door which is taking us back to the lobby cum dining room area, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this room. And very much similar to the wardrobe which we have explored in the first bedroom, same are provided over here in this second bedroom. So let's quickly explore this as well, this being the slanting mirror panel provided in this wardrobe with shelf section beneath it and closing it. Moving further, these are the sliding panels having plenty of space, the one which we have explored in the first bedroom, and closing this and opening another side of the panel. The design of the wardrobe provided in this room is similar to what we have experienced in the first bedroom. So with this, my dear friends, let's turn my camera to the opposite side where the attached washroom is provided to this bedroom. So this being the attached washroom to the second bedroom, provided with the space to keep your toiletries, Jaguar fittings and nice shade of tiles. So my dear friends, with this washroom I have completed the second bedroom of the floor as well, and now moving out of this second bedroom of the floor will take us back to the lobby cum dining room area. And moving further, let's now explore the other two bedrooms of the floor which are adjacent to this drawing room area. So starting with this. So friends, in this third bedroom, don't get confused with this messy floor, because this is just a base on which wooden flooring is yet to be done, and which will be done as and when the floor will be sold. So don't get confused by the type of flooring provided in this room. So this being the third bedroom of the floor, my dear friends, and this is the design of false ceiling provided in this room. Now this being the entry to this third bedroom, and towards this side this glasswork is provided, which is having an openable panel attached to it, which is ensuring natural air along with natural light to come inside the room. And along with that, a door is provided which is leading us to the front side balcony, which we have explored, so no need to explore it anymore. And opposite to this door are the wardrobe provided. So let's quickly explore the space provided behind these panels. The wardrobe provided in this room also is very spacious, and is provided with one internal and one external drawer on each side of the section. So this being the wardrobe provided in the third bedroom. And turning my camera to the left is the attached washroom to this bedroom. Although here the fittings is yet to be done. So just to give you an idea, this is the washroom attached to the third bedroom. And these are the spaces provided over here to keep your toiletries, and it is provided with this white glass mirror. And with this, friends, I have completed the third bedroom of the floor. Moving out of this washroom attached to this third room, and now moving out of this third bedroom, let's explore the fourth and the last bedroom, and in fact the last part of the floor, which is the fourth bedroom of the floor. Now this being the fourth bedroom of the floor, and here again the wooden flooring is yet to be done. This is the design of false ceiling provided in this room. Over here this door is provided, which is leading us to the front side balcony, which we have already explored. Currently it is raining heavy outside, and it is really a very beautiful and nice view. And moving opposite from this are the wardrobes provided in this room. So now let's quickly explore the space provided behind these panels. There is no doubt that these wardrobes are quite bigger in size as compared to what we have explored in the third bedroom, and it is, believe me, it is really spacious. And similar to the design which we have explored in the third bedroom, it is provided with one internal and one external drawer on each section. So with this, now let's close these panels. And adjacent to these wardrobes is this door provided, which is an attached washroom to this bedroom. Moving inside, this being the attached washroom to the fourth bedroom of the floor. Although again here the fittings are not yet installed, but again the fittings which will be installed in this washroom is of Jaguar. And similar to all the other washrooms, here the space is provided to keep your toiletries, and a white mirror is also provided. So with this, friends, I have shared each and every corner of this floor, and I hope you like the layout of the floor and the content of this video. And now is the time to disclose the price of this floor. So my dear friends, how do you like the floor? I hope you enjoyed the layout of the floor, and if you liked it, this is the high time to start taking steps towards purchasing and becoming the owner of this floor. As I've told you, there are only 2 floors left, which are second and third. And if you are interested in purchasing any of the second or third floor of this property, you can call me anytime on the number which is flashing on the screen. And now talking about the price of this floor. The price of this floor is 2 crore 65 lakh, which is negotiable. So without wasting any time, pick up your phones and call me immediately. And with this friends, I hope you are finding the content shown on this channel valuable, and if yes, please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button. And with this my dear friends, I begin passing signing off today with the promise to meet you again with altogether a new video and a new property option. Till then, take care of yourself, your family and stay in good health. Goodbye.